Chaotic. Chaotic. The chaotic room was hard to clean. The chaotic room was hard to clean.
Organized. Organized. The organized office improved productivity. The organized office improved productivity.
Difficult. Difficult. The difficult puzzle took hours. The difficult puzzle took hours.
Easy. Easy. The easy game was fun for kids. The easy game was fun for kids.
Eager. Eager. She's eager to start her new job. She's eager to start her new job.
Reluctant. Reluctant. He's reluctant to leave his comfort zone. He's reluctant to leave his comfort zone.
Frugal. Frugal. Frugal living helps save money. Frugal living helps save money.
Extravagant. Extravagant. Extravagant spending can lead to debt. Extravagant spending can lead to debt.
Generous. Generous. The generous donor helped many. The generous donor helped many.
Stingy. Stingy. The stingy person refused to share. The stingy person refused to share.
Hasty. Hasty. Hasty decisions can lead to mistakes. Hasty decisions can lead to mistakes.
Cautious. Cautious. Cautious planning ensures success. Cautious planning ensures success.
Joyful. Joyful. The joyful atmosphere lifted spirits. The joyful atmosphere lifted spirits.
Miserable. Miserable. The miserable weather ruined the day. The miserable weather ruined the day.
Loud. Loud. The loud concert was exciting. The loud concert was exciting.
Quiet. Quiet. The quiet library was peaceful. The quiet library was peaceful.
Messy. Messy. The messy room needed cleaning. The messy room needed cleaning.
Tidy. Tidy. The tidy apartment was welcoming. The tidy apartment was welcoming.
Optimistic. Optimistic. An optimistic outlook helps. An optimistic outlook helps.
Pessimistic. Pessimistic. A pessimistic view can discourage. A pessimistic view can discourage.
Patient. Patient. A patient teacher guides students. A patient teacher guides students.
Impatient. Impatient. An impatient person gets frustrated. An impatient person gets frustrated.
Quiet. Quiet. The quiet morning was relaxing. The quiet morning was relaxing.
Noisy. Noisy. The noisy market was distracting. The noisy market was distracting.
Rigid. Rigid. Rigid rules can be limiting. Rigid rules can be limiting.
Flexible. Flexible. Flexible guidelines allow creativity. Flexible guidelines allow creativity.
Serene. Serene. The serene lake was calming. The serene lake was calming.
Turbulent. Turbulent. The turbulent sea was thrilling. The turbulent sea was thrilling.
Thoughtful. Thoughtful. A thoughtful gift shows care. A thoughtful gift shows care.
Thoughtless. Thoughtless. A thoughtless comment hurts. A thoughtless comment hurts.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to English with Ratna. Thank you so much for watching.